Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution to keep track of your most important items. Imagine pinpointing your lost item down to the exact foot, even if it's buried under a pile of laundry. That's what precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology gives you, a truly game-changing experience. Setting up your new AirTag couldn't be easier. Just one tap with your iPhone and it's instantly paired and ready to go, making it incredibly user-friendly for everyone. This seamless integration with your Apple ecosystem means you'll be tracking items in seconds, right from the Find My app you already use. Accidents happen, but with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can withstand splashes and dust, giving you peace of mind. Unlike generic trackers, the AirTag leverages Apple's massive global Find My network, so even if your item is far away, millions of Apple devices can help locate it anonymously. Ready to upgrade your peace of mind? Check out the best AirTag deals on Amazon right now. Link in the description. Whether you're looking for the best electronics for 2025 or simply need a reliable way to find your stuff, the AirTag offers unmatched precision and reliability. For anyone wanting to stop losing their valuables, this 4-pack is an incredible value and a smart investment. Don't wait until something important goes missing. Click the Amazon link below to get your Apple AirTag today.